Hello, welcome guys. I have come with an amazing video titled Motorcycle Attorney. This video will help you in future, your family members, your friends. This is basically about if you use motorbike and you ever met an accident, then this video will help you how you can get your compensation and money from offshore or insurance companies. And the lawyers will be in your side who will play a role related to your money. So, without wasting any time, let's begin our video. Motorcycle accident tire. There is nothing quite like riding your bicycle. You're totally in control. It's just you, the motorcycle, and the road. People have been riding motorcycles for decades, and they will be doing it as long as there are vehicles. Motorcycles have been an enduring symbol of freedom since they rose to promise. However, in that there can be danger. Unfortunately, other folks don't take motorcycle drivers as seriously as they should. If you are in an accident when you're driving a motorcycle, it can lead to severe repercussions for your life. There is a misconception that whenever there is a motorcycle accident, it's the fault of the person driving the motorcycle. However, the studies have shown that the opposite is true. It's really the fault of the whoever hit the motorcyclists. At the Benjamin Law Firm, we know how important it is to ride your motorcycle. By that same token, we know how when things go wrong, they can really go wrong. Alas, motorcycles do not have more deaths per accident than other vehicles. We believe that motorcycle riders should be protected to that end. We have proven track record of helping folks who have been injured in motorcycle accident and making sure that they receive the compensation they deserve. Help for motorcyclists immediately after an accident. In the wake of motorcycle accident, the right thing to do is to make sure that you are safe. If you are in the middle of the road, see if you can move. Should you be able to get to safety, get out of the road. If you can't, stay still. But if at all possible, you want to do what you can to get out of harm's way. The next step is to call the authorities. You also want to get medical attention. We understand that can be continuous. Not all of us have the medical insurance situation that we would like. Moreover, you may feel that you have a serious enough accident to go to get medical help. Wait. After all, If you have been riding a motorcycle for any length of time, you feel tough, you are strong, you are independent. It's natural to feel like you don't need to get medical assistance, particularly if there is no obvious injury or you feel fine. That said, do it. Go to medical help. The reason is simple, you don't know all of what's going on. So many times in motorcycle accident and other kinds of vehicle accidents, we have talked to people at the moment of the accident felt fine, like there was nothing wrong with them. So they didn't get medical attention. Then, as time went on, they went back to their lives only to find that they did eventually develop debilitating, debilitating injuries. That's the best thing we want to have happen to you. So, getting medical attention quickly is the right thing to do. Besides that, one of the damages that you are most likely to file for medical costs. If you're injured on your motorcycle through the recklessness or negligence of the someone else, you deserve to be compensated for your medical bills. After all, you didn't choose to get hit. You certainly didn't want to be injured. That was caused by someone else's action. So you shouldn't have to pay for those bills. That's one more way that we can help our clients to get compensation they deserve. Beyond that, we also happen to know many medical professionals who, like our firm, work on contingency. So while you may not be able to pay for your medical bills right now, that's fine. They'll be able to look at you and treat you on the contingency too. What that means is that their fees like ours will be taken out of your eventual compensation instead of right away. It's one more way that we help our clients both by representing them and getting them back up to their feet. A thorough investigation. We have found that some people think they hire us and the case goes right to trial. That's not at all how it works. In fact, usually one of the first steps after we meet with you to go over what happened is to put our experienced investigators on the case. There they will be able to find out totally what happened and how it can impact you. For example, they'll talk to any witness while investigating the scene. They may not sound like much, but it can go a long way towards making sure that you get all of the compensation that you deserve. To use a hypothetical, imagine that you injure your head in a motorcycle accident. The other driver ran a stop sign, so they are definitely at fault. It makes sense then the accident as well as your injury would be fault of that person who hits you. While that's the true, it may not be the entire story. Say that our investigation get onto your ears earlier and they find that yes, the other driver ran the stop sign, but they also find that his motorcycle helmet was defective. The manufacturer didn't make it right, and thus it was partially responsible for the injury that you suffered. Then the company that manufactured the helmet will also be at least partially responsible, but that's once more. So this was all about my this video. I hope you definitely like it. If you like it, then do share with your friends, your family members, and others. Thank you.